Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2023 Chevrolet Suburban. Suburban is featured in a white iridescent pearl tri-coat paint finish and is the premier trim. Under the hood is our 5.3-liter V8 engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission, as well as our four-wheel drive. Inside the vehicle we have 7 passenger seating on jet black leather seating surfaces. We have a power folding third row seat, second row captain's chairs with heated options, as well as heated and cooled front leather bucket seats, power driver and passenger seat, Google Maps integration, wireless Apple Carplay and Android Auto, dual pane panoramic sunroof, as well as our heated steering wheel and all of our safety features. Outside the vehicle we have our alloy wheels, a black and chrome molded assist step, as well as our powered liftgate. Starting off in the front of the vehicle, we have a chrome finished door handle, power locks, power folding mirrors, power windows, rear window lock, as well as our driver's seat memory with 2 memory settings and mirror memory. The rest of the door has some storage throughout, as well as our Bose speaker at the front. Just inside the vehicle, to the left of the steering wheel, we have an electronic parking brake, lane keep assist, front and rear park assist, our auto stop start, traction control, downhill assist, our 360 camera view, which activates on our infotainment screen. Then we have our heads-up display location, information, and brightness. Below that, we have all of our four-wheel drive transfer case settings, drive mode select, lighting controls, and an integrated trailer brake controller. Power telescopic steering column. Driver's seat has our power options with power adjustable lumbar and is finished in our jet black leather. Getting into the vehicle, looking above our rear view mirror, you can see we have our fully digital display cluster. Can adjust all of our information throughout, including trip computers and digital speedometer. We also can adjust our audio controls, navigation, our phone settings, as well as additional settings on the display itself. Moving down to the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have adaptive cruise settings with our lane key, or our gap control and forward collision alert, as well as heated steering wheel. Right-hand side, voice recognition, hands-free, controls for that driver information system. Just behind on the right is also our push-to-start ignition, and we have our precision shifter to the left of our infotainment screen. In it, we can see our current surround view camera. This was activated when I hit that 360 button earlier. If we go out, we can go into audio, and if we hit our FM at the top, you can see we have AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth, USB, podcasts, and Google News settings for audio. Have our Google Maps integration. Then we have phone connection, our cameras that we just saw, Google Assistant, Google Play Store, Android Auto, and Apple CarPlay, both with wireless settings. If we go to the second page, we have our trailer and light controls, climate, our settings, a Wi-Fi hotspot, 4G and LTE. Then we also have My Chevrolet, podcasts, and Google News. Hotkeys are down the side. Below it, we have 2 vents. To the right, a little storage spot, as well as hazard lights. Additional radio controls are below. We have volume, home, seek, back, and then menu controls if we don't want to, or this is our tune if we don't want to use our screen. Then below, front 2 zones of our tri-zone climate control. We have auto, sync, front and rear defrost, AC, fan controls, and zone settings all in the center. On either side, we have a heated and cooled driver seat control or passenger control. Rear climate settings across the bottom for that 3rd zone. USB-C, USB 12 volt, and a wireless charging pad below. 2 cup holders with some storage. Leather finished center console with storage up top. You can also see our key on the key fob, locks and unlocks, remote start, power tailgate, power glass release, as well as our alarm system. Opening into the center console, have some deep storage with our rubber lined bottom. You can actually straight up remove it as well for an easy clean option. Passenger seat, also our same jet black leather, heated, cooled, and powered for that passenger. Moving to the rear view mirror, we have our full digital settings. You can adjust our brightness, location, as well as zoom level, or switch it to a regular rear view mirror. Moving above that, we have our OnStar settings, slide, tilt, sunroof, and sunshade options. we have our sliding options for our center console. You can see it can slide back, and we actually have more storage in the bottom. We can also pull additional storage out. Moving just above that, we have our folding third row seats. If we see the red light, that means the seat is currently folded down. Power tailgate, and then dome lights with dome lighting control. Universal garage door opener with 3 settings. Then we can see our dual pane sunroof ranging from the back or the front to the back of the vehicle, as well as our third row seat that is folded down directly from the front. Now walking down the side of the vehicle, moving down to our front tire and rim, we have our alloy rim with a Chevrolet bow tie center cap, as well as our Continental tire. Moving out, we have chrome capped mirrors, our paint match door handles with chrome accents, Suburban and chrome on the front door, as well as our black and chrome molded assist step. Moving all the way around towards the back of the vehicle, we have a black bow tie, Suburban Premier badging in chrome, our quad exhaust tips, and trailer tow hitch hidden in the bottom. To open up into the back of the vehicle, we can simply press on the button at the bottom. Also have access to open from the front of the vehicle, as well as our key fob. In the back of the vehicle, we have a 60/40 power folding seat. You can actually fold it directly from the back of the vehicle. You can just hold and press. You can also fold the second row seats if we double press it as well. You can see it folds flat, second and third row. Also next to those folding seats, we have an 120 volt plug. The bottom we can lift up and we have storage space, and if we lift up more, can reveal even more storage. Lastly, to close the vehicle, we have power release on the left-hand side or a manual release on the right. Moving into the back 2 rows of our Suburban. On the back door, we have a chrome finish door handle, power locks, as well as power window control, storage throughout the door with our Bose speaker in the front. Inside the vehicle, storage pockets in the back of the driver and passenger seat, 2 cup holders with a bit of storage in the back of our center console. Then we have our tri-zone climate for the second and third row with our heated second row seats, auto mode, temperature and fan controls for the climate, 2 USB-Cs for charging, and a 120 volt plug. Second row seats match the leather finish in the front, a jet black color. Seats, we have 2 folding captain's chairs that fold flat with the third row seating. Can adjust all of our settings at the bottom. We can slide it forward. If we pull up twice on the back one, can lock it into place, and a second time to slide it forward. The third row seats also are 60/40 folding split. It's a power split and finished in our jet black leather as well. On either side, we have a cup holder with some storage as well as USB-C plugs. In the very back there, right next to that 120 volt plug, is where we can actually fold it, and I'll show it from the back of the vehicle later. On the roof throughout, we have our cargo hooks, as well as all of our dome lighting, and the second row has the second pane of our dual pane sunroof. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2023 Chevrolet Suburban. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.